Hi guys, this is Erica from Gokce Capital. Now before I begin, be sure to click subscribe and turn on the notification bell. In 2022, Beatrice Cortez opened her property tax bill and nearly fainted. Her taxes had increased fourfold. What happened? We'll find out at the end of this video. But first, if you want a quick estimate of the value of a property, try a broker's opinion of value. And in today's video, we have the top things you should know. Number 1, what is a broker's opinion of value? A broker's opinion of value, or BOV, is utilized to create an estimate of value for a specific property. As the name would suggest, it is completed by a broker or agent. Number 2, how does a broker's opinion of value work? Well, a broker will take a look at the value of similar surrounding properties. They will also look at sales trends in the neighborhood or region. They then provide an estimated valuation or price range for your property. Number 3, why is a broker's opinion of value used? A BOV may be used when you or a lender wants an initial assessment of a property's value. This may be done when you are looking to sell or refinance your mortgage. Number 4, what are the advantages of a broker's opinion of value? Well, the main advantage is cost. It is more affordable than an appraisal. Often, brokers will even provide this for free in the hopes that you will later work with them. It is also faster than an appraisal. And for real estate investors or others with a portfolio of real estate, a BOV can provide a price range for the entire portfolio. Number 5, what are the disadvantages of a broker's opinion of value? The main disadvantage is that a BOV is not considered an official opinion. It may not be as accurate as an appraisal, which is performed by a certified and licensed professional. For this reason, in many circumstances, a BOV cannot be used as an alternative to an appraisal. If you need an appraisal, then you need an appraisal. And the use of a BOV may also be restricted by certain state and federal laws. So before commissioning one, make sure you understand whether it is allowed in the context that you will use it for. Yet, though a broker's opinion of value cannot replace an appraisal, it can be a useful tool in certain circumstances. Consider, for example, the plight of Beatrice Cortez. 62 years ago, Beatrice bought a home in San Antonio's Government Hill neighborhood, just 30 yards from an Interstate 35 exit ramp. Despite the highway's noise and pollution, she was able to make a peaceful home for her children on a civil servant's salary. Today, however, that peace is shattered. For in 2022, her property bill jumped fourfold from about $1,900 to $8,378, an amount that she, at 83, cannot afford. The increase was in large part because she lost her homestead tax exemption when she moved into her daughter's house after her husband passed away in 2021. But it didn't help that the assessed value of properties across San Antonio jumped by 23% that year. The city's market has been red hot for nearly a decade, with home values almost doubling the past 10 years. In one sense, this is good for property owners, who could stand to make a killing if they sell. But it also means that property taxes have gone up, and not just by a little. Since Texas does not have a state income tax, it relies heavily on property taxes to pay for its schools, infrastructure, and health care. This means that when property values go up, property taxes are sure to jump too. And they have, bit by bit, over the past decade. But 2022 was different. So extreme were this year's tax hikes that the tax appraiser himself began to suggest that homeowners appeal their assessments. To do so, a property owner must compare their property's individual characteristics with those of recent sales to explain why their home should sell for less, a process in which a broker's opinion of value may help. So keep this tool in mind whether you wish to buy, sell, or simply stay in your home. You never know when it may be of use. But what do you think? Do you have any stories about BOVs? Let us know in the comments. Did you like this video? You're going to love our Gokce Land Due Diligence program. We'll make you a land due diligence expert in just 7 days. Check it out at gokcecapital.com/glad. And while you're at our website, don't forget to explore our $1 down properties at gokcecapital.com/listings. Finally, don't hesitate to reach out. You can email, call, or text, and we will respond as soon as possible. So thank you for listening, and more to come.